In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in Zoho Books. Whether you're a seasoned user or someone just starting out, customizing the look of your documents can be an essential part of maintaining a professional appearance in your business communications. To get started, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see a gear icon, which represents your settings. Go ahead and give that a click. Now that you're in the settings, you'll notice various options that allow you to tailor Zoho Books to fit your needs. For our purpose, direct your attention to the Customization section and find the option labeled PDF Templates. Clicking this will open up a new set of possibilities for modifying different aspects of how your PDFs are generated. Next, you'll need to decide which module you want to customize. Zoho Books allows you to modify templates for different types of documents, be it invoices, quotes, or another category you might be using. Browse through the available options and identify the module you want to work on. Once you find it, hover your cursor over the template you'd like to update, and you'll see an Edit button pop up. Click it, and let's move forward. Now we're in the template editor, where most of the customization magic happens. On the left sidebar, you'll see various elements that you can tweak. Look for the section labeled General and click on it to expand your options. Within the General section, scroll until you find a heading titled Font. Expand this section too, and you'll be greeted with a drop-down menu labeled PDF Font. This is where you get to have some fun. The PDF Font drop-down gives you a selection of fonts to choose from. Take a moment to scroll through and pick the one that best represents your brand's personality. Perhaps you prefer something modern and sleek, or maybe a font with more traditional cues. Once you've made your choice, it's critical to make sure your changes stick. So don't forget to click the Save button to apply the changes you've just made. This ensures that all your documents under this module will now sport the newly selected font moving forward. And there you have it. Customizing the font in Zoho Books is not only quick, but also a straightforward process that can make a considerable difference in how your documents are perceived by your clients and partners. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, take care and keep customizing to make your business stand out.